Oh! Oh!
You turned it off.
I don't know. Is that filming?
Yeah, that's filming now.
Oh,
It's got
right.
a counter going.
Do you want to do the lights?
I don't think so.
Just so we can sort of see.
Yeah, but we're going to blind people down there.
Oh, look. Fail! Fail! Russell's bike of fail at the side of the road.
Entered fail mode.
There's Mr. Fail's disease. How to change a tyre at the side of the road.
In the snow.
In the snow.
Some very helpful friends.
Yep.
Who think videoed you doing it is
Taking the piss.
lubricant.
What's that you just used there, Russell?
Wilco's own maintenance spray. All your motorbiking maintenance needs can be done with spray.
Because you don't want to try and go in dry. Let's get a close-up action shot.
Coppers. My eyes!
I have no Innertube nut to go on the valve to hold it in place.
Fail.
Fail. If I put a valve cap on it, I'll stop it popping through again.
How many minutes you got on there?
We're at 2 minutes 19.
We get a good quarter of an hour on there.
You're going to put this on YouTube, Russ, when you get home,
Yeah.
and on the Rat Bike Zone.
Yeah.
Russell removes his knobbly.
Right, now stop the valve falling out. I've just remembered I didn't bring the puncture kit, so if I pinch it putting it in, we're stuck again.
How we will laugh.
Yeah, you'll probably just drive off and leave me at the side of the road.
No, this is entertaining.
I got a
more
couple
lube.
I got a couple of those sheets that you wrap around, either tinfoil
Those
sheets.
tinfoil sheets, will you leave me one of those? Leave me and then call the ambulance tomorrow morning.
You'd probably walk home by then.
Put it back and drive it back.
Yeah, so how does that device work then, Russ, with the voltage through it?
What device?
That I was on about.
Oh, the UFO thing. It's just an ion drive. It's just
He had a big old generator outside his garage. It looked like one of those jennies that they charge planes up with, you know.
oh yeah.
That's how he got his power.
What are you talking about?
Well, it's like a framework of balsa with tin foil wrapped around it, and you've got wires sticking up, and you pass a voltage through it, and the whole lot rises up like anti-gravity, you know. For some reason, the voltage makes it fly, but you need, as Russ was saying, you need at least 50,000 volts to do it. So
Tyres back together.
Now, because I haven't got a nut on the valve,
Let's have a look.
It won't focus that close.
Oh, yeah. No
when I undo that to put the compressor on, the valve's going to disappear up into the.
round those pliers. I'll turn this off for now.
Yeah.
Because don't trust these things now. But get your pliers on it, pull it out.
Tools everywhere. Got some tools to try somewhere. Pointy nose mongoose.
You left yourself enough to put that top on.
I hope so. That looks like enough.
So you hook it up to the car battery on the side.
Van battery, 75 ampere van battery. Put out on the edge of the sidecar to stop it tipping over.
More people pointing and laughing. More people just stopping and laughing. Probably mistake Russell for a homeless tramp. Lights please, lights please. This is the Innertube, a fail.
A fail. And somewhere on it is the initial fail, I think. Turn around.
Oh, well.
There. Ooh.
Proper fail.
And when I pulled over on the hard shoulder, the tyre had come away from the rim, and I pushed over with my toe and saw that. That's why I gave up.
Well, we are on fuck all PSI. 2 more hours and might get 30. Not looking good, this could be fail.
I'm going to lift it up from the garage. Might be easier. No, I think it's up and down.
I'll have to push one of the other bikes down and up the hill.
Alright, and then it's down there.
When fails hit you again. Fails disease.
Right, wipe it in the car, then we'll take it up there. Watch his tools rim.